Hello friends, generally we do calculations in MS Excel, but what happens if we need to do it in MS Word? No worries. Today in this video, we will learn how to do it. In this table, you can see the names of the students on the left hand side, and on this side, you can see the respective marks they have got in different subjects. So here we will calculate sum of the marks of each student and average marks of each subject by using different functions provided by MS Office. Now see how to do this. If we are inside the table, we can easily see the layout tab. In the layout tab, you can see the formula. Here we will click and a window will pop up. In this window, you can see sum left, which is by default. So we can calculate the sum left, right, above and below. Here we need to calculate sum from the left side. So we will just click on OK and we can see the sum. Now you can see 100. What is 100? Here 100 is sum of Rita's marks. 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 15, 75, 90 and 100. So you can see she has got 100 marks. Now if we want to calculate marks of each and every student, then we can use the first method is that again we have to go to formula for each and every child. Otherwise, what we can do, we can press Alt F9. When we will press Alt F9, we will see the formula. We will press Ctrl C. We will select the cells where we want to paste and we will press Ctrl V. Now you can see the formula is pasted. Now we will press Alt F9. When we will press Alt F9, you can see all the students have got 100 marks, which is not correct. It can be, but here it is not correct. If we will calculate, we will find out. So again, I will press function F9. When I will press, now you can see I have got the correct results. Now, if I want to calculate average marks of each subject, now what I have to do, I have to follow the same process. I will go to formula. Here it is written sum. But what I want average. I will remove this. I can type average or I can select it from here. Here I have to write down something like left, right, above or below. So where is my range? My range is actually here we are not giving any range, but we know that our data is above, below, left or right. Here our data is above where we are writing the formula. So here I will mention above. I will press OK and you can see the magic. I have got the result. Now what will I do? I will follow the same process. I will press Alt F9. So now don't bother about the formulas again reappearing. So we will see, use this. We will use this. Again, Ctrl C and Ctrl V wherever we want to paste it. Now you can see the formula. Here again, I will follow the same process, Alt F9. Now you can see same marks, same average for all the subjects. Again, we have to press F9. Now we have got the correct result. Now I will teach you another formula. The third formula I'm going to teach is maximum. Now if I want to use maximum, I have to remove the previous formula. I will go here and I will press on max. So max from the above, this side I want the max or from the left side I want the max. So first of all, I will use left. Okay. Now you can see we have seen that the correct is 28.6. If we compare these five, we have got the maximum average. Suppose I want to calculate the minimum average. So I will go to formula. Here I will remove this. I will go to drop down menu. I will find out minimum. Here minimum on the left. Okay. Now the minimum average is 18. I hope students, you must be clear that how to use function or formula to do calculations in MS Word. Kindly like my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.